Welcome back to another trucking video, guys. Right now I'm literally stranded downhill going to Grapevine. Long story short, my steering wheel broke. I don't know how. My suspension from my semi truck broke. My whole airbag is broke. I'm gonna show you guys right now. Long story short, I'm gonna give you guys the story on how I got here, how I ended up here, and what's gonna happen next. I was driving regular. Out of nowhere, I turn around going downhill on the Grapevine. Remember that. I see a lot of smoke just coming out of my truck. I immediately just pull over, guys. I'm not even lying. I pull over and I check it. I didn't find anything, so I was like, you know what, I'm gonna just continue driving. I did that. I get back on the freeway. I start going like 5 miles per hour. I hear my steering wheel. I mean, I'm gonna tell you how I knew it was at just popping and cranking. And so I opened up my hood. I was searching for everything, metiéndole mano, putting my hand everywhere. And that's where I found the little gear. Look at my hands are so dirty. It's moving my tires and everything. Everything is bad. And then I went to go put on my cones. That's when I heard the airbag just ripped. Everything was just bad, guys. Now I'm waiting on the next steps. My boss sent the other guy right now. He's gonna take my trailer, but I don't know what's gonna happen. Hopefully, it's either two things: get towed, try to make it downhill, which is really dangerous. I don't know what to do. I'm really stressed. I'm gonna keep you guys with this whole journey. What happens? I'm literally the ramp of the exit ramp, the emergency ramp going downhill the Grapevine. I'm literally seeing it with my eyes. Like, luckily I didn't even make it there, because just being in there is so dangerous. I seen trucks there previously. You know, I used to work local. This was my whole route to Grapevine every single day. And you know, you never know when something's gonna happen with trucking or when it's gonna be your turn. But yeah, guys, I'm gonna keep you guys updated. No, I haven't caught nobody.
What's going on, yo?
Hombre, un pinche desmadre right here. No se cayó.
So we gotta get it towed.
Basically.
This is your truck?
Huh?
This is your truck?
No, it's my boss. It's the driver.
Let me touch something real quick.
Literally, guys, this is the lane right here of the other lane. You see that? Man, this is so dangerous right now. The exit ramp is literally right there. This guy that pulled up right now, he's a random mechanic. Gracias a Dios vino. You guys heard everything what he just said, guys. So right now, I'm just waiting on my guy. Lo estoy esperando a ver qué. Ahorita que venga el chofer a llevarse la traila, I don't know. I'm literally standing right here next to the freeway, telling all the truckers to move out the way with this little light. Todos los que se muevan, gracias. Ya me voy a ir a la vuelta de allá de enfrente de usted. Allá. I'm gonna go around this truck. Alright, guys, I'm gonna go around this truck. Let's see how it performs right now. There's a truck coming. Can't really see anything because ahí va bien. Dele. Alright, guys, try to go down the Grapevine a ver cómo nos va. Tell my friend Jose to follow us. Yo, I'm gonna try to go down, and he's gonna go behind me with his four-ways.
Okay.
I'm gonna try to make it to the TA.
All right, I'm gonna follow you.
All right. Here, brother. May the force be with you, man.
Yes, sir.
Y que Dios me bendiga o algo. ¿Qué tal si ya no te veo ahorita, pues?
You are.
Ahora, pues. Ahora. Officially going downhill, man. I'm honestly pretty scared, not gonna lie to you guys. Here goes nothing. Guys, so we did ended up making it down here. Ya aquí, gracias a Dios, ya bajamos aquí al Tejon Outlets. We're gonna park right there at the TA. I'm going at 25, but hey, I'm trying to make it, man. I'm trying to make it. All right, guys, so I'm leaving my semi truck here at the parking at TA. We officially made it. I gotta go with my coworker to deliver my trailer, and then I don't know what's gonna happen after this. Guys, I'll probably see you after we deliver this load. Time to go, boys. Guys, this is an update for what is happening right now. Basically, after last night, we ended up driving all the way to Tracy in this truck right here. After we went to Tracy, which was like around 6 a.m., we left around 8 a.m. We just got here to Fresno right now. My truck is still at the TA. We're dropping off the trailer right now, which is my trailer, the one that we had all my goods in. Now we're going back to Bakersfield right now to pick up my truck. The only thing I'm not too brightened about, too excited about, is the Blitz week. You guys know it's the 13th to the 15th. They're doing inspections, and I'm gonna be driving like that with my truck, and I'm just not really too happy about that. Let's go to Bakersfield, guys. I'll see you guys right now at my semi truck. We're currently getting the Pluma, that's what you call it in Spanish, connected to that truck, and we're gonna go get my semi truck. To be honest, this is the reality of a trucker, man. Why you get that CDL and UCF school, remember, this is what you want to deal with.
The bumper. Should be able to do it, no problem.
Okay.
But take some zip ties, get a bunch of zip ties, because you got to run the wire down your truck.
Okay.
Tie it to the, just make sure it don't flap the.
Okay.
All right?
Okay, thank you.
It should be good.
Alrighty.
All right. Have
you.
fun.
Thank you, man.
I almost went to New Mexico the other day with this motherfucker injector. It was bad.
Dang. Alright, well, hopefully we make it. Thank you. Right now we're in the process of connecting this blue semi truck to my semi truck. Got my boy here helping us throughout the whole way. The guy from the clip earlier told me to disconnect my mud flaps, where else when it was here, que se iba a estar moviendo and it was gonna break them. So we're right now doing that, trying to make it ASAP. Let's not forget these, porque take those bad boys off y para andarlas buscando, So it looks like I'm the one that's gonna be driving this semi truck back. This is my first time driving a truck in general with this. We're gonna be driving this blue one. Obviously this one's gonna be in the back, but my first time, never done it. So estamos esperando aquí que everything's ready, but hopefully we finish. Hopefully we don't get put over, guys. It's Blitz week. Today is Tuesday. Today is Tuesday, 3:45 in the afternoon. Here at Tejon Ranch, reporting live and sound. Let's see what time we make it back to Fresno. Está doblada esa madre. La entrada. Oh.
Yo la vi, pero no me imaginé que...
Ended up making it to the mechanic shop. There's nothing that we could do right now. It's closed, but thank God we're here. Let me show you guys how we arrived. Okay, well, everything looks like it got here very well. We're finally here, and it's time to say to. It looks like I'm gonna have to let you guys go, and I'll see you guys on the next video. This video was kind of crazy, kind of all over the place, but hey, this is trucking, right? Hopefully on the next video, guys, I'll explain everything that happened, what got fixed, and how much it cost, literally. So hopefully I'll see you guys soon. Peace. And make sure to subscribe.